BGN में आपका स्वागत है। नारायण स्कूल की नारायणगुड़ा शाखा हैदराबाद में अपने विद्यार्थियों के शानदार अकादमिक सफलतों में रंग भर रही है, जब उन्होंने हाल ही के SSC परीक्षा में पूरी 10 GPA प्राप्त की। ये शानदार उपलब्धि स्कूल की उत्कृष्ट पढ़ाई के माहौल को बढ़ावा देती है और उसका प्रभावशाली उपलब्धि दर्शाती है। क्या शानदार सफलता को सम्मानित करने के लिए नारायण स्कूल ने विद्यार्थियों के लिए एक विशेष मिलन समारोह आयोजित किया। कार्यक्रम में मेजबान शाखा की प्रिंसिपल हरनीत कौर के साथ NG जोन के AGM बाला परमेश्वर राव और NG जोन के हाई स्कूल समन्वयक आजाद सर भी मौजूद थे। इसके अलावा AOS, शिक्षक और माता पिता समन्वय जैसे कि नूर मैम और भवानी मैम भी शामिल थे।
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ అందరికీ। ఈరోజు ప్రకటించిన SSC 2023-24 ఫలితాల్లో నారాయణ విద్యా సంస్థలో నారాయణగూడ జోన్ అత్యద్భుతమైన రిజల్ట్స్తో ప్రతి బ్రాంచ్ నుంచి కూడా 100% పాస్ పర్సంటేజ్తో ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ రిజల్ట్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది। దానికి మీ ఎన్నిక ఉన్న విద్యార్థులందరూ సాక్షులు। The students who achieved 10 GPAs, 10 out of 10, all subjects, Telugu, Hindi, English, Maths, Science, Social, all subjects 10/10 GPA సాధించిన విద్యార్థులందరూ కూడా మా వెనకాల ఉన్నారు। వాళ్ళందరికీ పేరు పేరున కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్। వాళ్ళని ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చిన టీచర్స్కి వాళ్ళని ఒక పద్ధతిగా ఒక మైక్రో షెడ్యూల్ అనేది ఒకటి డిజైన్ చేసి దానికి ఒక దిశానిర్దేశం చేస్తూ వాళ్ళ విద్యార్థులందరినీ మంచి బాటలో ఉండేలా చూసిన ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ అందరూ కూడా నా శుభాభినందనలు। ప్రతి బ్రాంచ్లో కూడా అత్యద్భుతమైన రిజల్ట్స్ రావడం జరిగింది। ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఎంటైర్ నారాయణగూడ జోన్ అనాలిసిస్ చూస్తే 10/10 10కి 10 GPA సాధించిన విద్యార్థులు మొత్తం 64 మంది। ఈచ్ బ్రాంచ్ వైజ్ చూసుకున్న ప్రతి బ్రాంచ్లో కూడా లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ మీద 100% వృద్ధితో, ప్రతి ఒక్క బ్రాంచ్లో కూడా 100% వృద్ధితో, ప్రతి బ్రాంచ్ కూడా 100% పాస్ పర్సంటేజ్తో నారాయణగూడ జోన్ SSC రిజల్ట్స్ 2024 విజయ దుందుబి మోగించిందని చెప్పడానికి చాలా ఆనందిస్తున్నాం। దీనికి కారణమైన తల్లిదండ్రులు, విద్యార్థులు, ముఖ్యంగా ఉపాధ్యాయులు అందరూ కూడా దీనికి చాలా ఆనందంగా దీన్ని సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకోవడం గురించి ఈరోజు ఈ ప్రెస్ మీట్ పెట్టడం జరిగింది। దీనికి కారణమైన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా ప్రతి బ్రాంచ్లో టీచర్స్, ప్రిన్సిపల్స్, అలాగే సెంట్రల్ ఆఫీస్ R&D టీమ్, సెంట్రల్ ఆఫీస్ కోఆర్డినేటర్స్, దే హ్యావ్ డన్ రియల్లీ extraordinary job to achieve these results. Once again it was proved Narayana curriculum is the best in the entire pan India. With the same curriculum, the same execution part we have done in the branch level. దీనికి కారణమైన ప్రతి ఒక్క టీచర్, ప్రతి ఒక్క అకాడమిక్ టీమ్, ప్రతి ఒక్క 10th క్లాస్ ఇన్ఛార్జ్, ప్రతి ఒక్క ప్రిన్సిపల్, ప్రతి ఒక్క AO కూడా వీళ్ళందరికీ కూడా శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాం।
Really, it's a great achievement today. We have gathered for celebrating the unstoppable ranks of Narayana. Really, it's adding a feather in the cap we had added in the Narayana. Since this academic year, what we had seen the results, right from the mains, like IP marks, even 10 or 10, even AP first mark, 599 is from Narayana only. The same thing here we have concluded here. So I congratulate all the parents and the students coming to the how we have carried the program. My heartfelt thank you to R&D department coordinator Mr. Azad sir and the AGM Mr. Bala Parmeshwara garu. They guided every day, not only one day. Like I personally sir, sorry to share this. Every day conferences we were fed up, but your conferences has guided us how to 10, not only 10 on 10, good marks in the 10th class. So once again, I heartfelt thank to R&D department of the central office, AGM coordinator, and last but not the least, parent community. Thank you, sir.
Principals and our R&D team, and also coordinators and parents, and also our beloved students. Really, today it is a very great achievement for us, not only for in our zone, entire Telangana. Our Narayana really produced tremendous results in our state. As our madam just now she expressed, not only for that, from January onwards, we conducted different types of exams like skill tests, DPTs, SA1s, and also objective test, pre-finals, and also this. But not only that, one or two, they were conducted more than 385 exams, including objective test and everything. Really, the credit goes to our entire R&D department, our coordinators and parent support also, and our beloved staff members also, those who are handling ADs as well as high school 10th class in charges, and also teachers support only we could achieve all these things. Congratulations each and everyone. Thank you, sir.
So thank you, principals. Now just I want to give a chance to my dear students who achieved 10 GPAs. Give your preparation, how you have achieved this. Please.
Take a shot from program.
First of all, very good evening to everyone over here. So first of all, what Narayana gave us is confidence. 100% sure that Narayana is the institute where we can find our self-confidence and we can build it also. We can build not only 100%, with that confidence we can give a 200%. And not only we are not only stopping this record over here, and we want to continue this, and we want to crack IITs, NEETs, and want to grab entire world into our hands. This won't stop here. And one more thing is, Narayana will create records and will break the records. This is only done by Narayana. No one will come and no one can break this record. We create records and we only break the records. And in this, today I want to thank my principal ma'am. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sarita ma'am. She keep on saying my children, so that our happiness is okay, but man's happiness is 1,000 times more than ours. Thank you so much, ma'am. Only because of that confidence we are speaking here, I'm speaking here, we are staying here. Thank you so much.
Good evening to one and all. My name is Karthik. First of all, I want to thank all the faculty, all the teachers who have supported us till now. They are the reason we have achieved this. If we are students, we need to get the 10 GPAs, but we cannot do anything without we have a guidance. The teachers are the light which shows us the path to the success. And even the higher authorities like Azad sir have visited our branch many times, gave us many counselings. Balaparmeshwar sir has also visited. Even the principal ma'am has supported us. He gave us counseling. So I thank all the faculty for supporting us. Thank you.
Respected all deans, principal, and DGDC and all NGPA secure students of Narayana. I wish you all the best for your coming examination, and this student especially congratulations to you all. My daughter Navesri Rathod she is in ONG Ashok. As for the 2 years of the studies gone for the corona, and suddenly they shifted CO. So they did not have that much of standards. Suddenly they shifted CO. Until December, they are in the CO IIT section or IIT teaching only. And they changed in January for the SSC examination. And I was so astonished that within the 2.5 months, the student prepared well and the teacher who supported them, I have seen particularly in the branch. So in the first practice exam, I want to tell you something to support the principal also. Yeah, exactly in the month of January we have started. And in the first exam itself, student they were demoted because they got very less marks and top students also got 50 less marks. And how could we get the top marks? And in the second exam, sir said that's all it is. Time is very less. How can they get? No, don't worry, sir. They definitely will improve. And in the third practice exam, we just check the standard. Again, in the second practice test, they improved little more. And finally, in the government exam, most of the students they got above 9.5 and all. I never expected that my daughter will get 10 GP because I am happy with the 9.56 because her handwriting is so beautiful and she struggled very hard reading at night 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock also. Especially my special congratulations to the branch teachers and especially Nagaraj sir. He is care of each and every student, their standards and where they are lagging, what they have to do work at home and in the school. Particularly each and every student's parent, we are listening to everything. And where they are facing problems in mathematics. Sir is a mathematics teacher and he particularly has taken care of and where lagging, where they are doing some mistakes and where the key area they have to focus. He particularly showed interest on the student and finally my daughter got the 10 GPA. Actually from the branch mostly 10 students will have to get the 10 GPA. Unfortunately some 8 students got 9.8 GPA. It's all the credit goes to the staff member, especially Nagaraj sir. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Respected teachers on there. Actually, I am father of Sri Krishna, who is studying in Ramachapur branch. I am very happy with the branch. Like I have to thank each and every teachers in the school, like Sarkar Madam. First, initially, she is the motivator for Vamsi, who is being like she even as a parent, I might one particular time I might differ with the confidence, but she has always a confidence on Vamsi, and I hope he has reached what her confidence is. And moreover, I thank Telugu Madam also, that she is been taking care of Vamsi. I literally tell you, they used to call us every day. How is he studying? I keep on telling them where you are leaving them to study in house, because people always are there in the school itself. Maybe 5, 6 to 7, there is an online class, everything. Till 9 o'clock they were busy. I used to request them give them some space to play or something like that. But even I need to appreciate all the teachers of Ramantapur who have been worked very hard. I hope all the other students also scored very good marks. Thank you very much.
Good evening everyone. My daughter Kiran from Naganda. I have joined her from nursery to 10th and I know nursery. And very good support from staff and principal. Every morning sir will used to call from 4:30 onwards. Whatever Nama you have get up, you have studied. From first essay 1, 2 and last pre-final, my daughter has improved very much. In any subject, any bag is there, I used to call immediately. And every teacher and principal also will respond very fast. And I'm very special thanks to our dean sir, Suresh sir, and class teacher Asan sir for supporting my daughter very much. I'm not thinking that my daughter will get, but teachers have most hopes on her. Okay, thank you very much.
I'm Srinivas, father of Krishna Siddharth. Can I speak in Telugu? విద్య లేని వాడు విత్తవచ్చు, విద్య లేకపోతే వీళ్ళందరూ ఎంతో వచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే యాజ్ అ పేరెంట్స్ పిల్లల్ని పాస్ అయితే చాలు అనుకునే దగ్గర నుంచి ఇక్కడ టీచర్ పెట్టి వాళ్ళ వల్ల మేము ప్రౌడ్ ఫీల్ అయ్యేది చెప్పి టీచర్స్కి ఎందుకు నేను నాగరాజ్ సార్తో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు అనేవాడిని, సార్ మా వాడికి 10 o'clock టైం అవుతుంది, వాడికి ప్రెషర్ పెట్టదు, చదువుకునేది. బట్ ఇవాళ మార్నింగ్ నిన్న ఇవాళ ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళే ముందు నేను వాడి నెంబర్ తీసుకుని వాడికి చెప్పలేదు. నేను చూశాను, తర్వాత గ్రూప్లో పోస్ట్ చేశాను. మా వైఫ్ కాల్ చేసి చెప్పారు, మన వాడికి మంచి మార్కులు వచ్చాయంటే ఊరుకో, మన క్రెడిట్ కాదు, మనం ఎంజాయ్ చేయకూడదు. ద క్రెడిట్ గోస్ టు ద టీచర్స్. బికాస్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ ఐ గో దేర్, మా వైఫ్ కూడా టీచింగ్ ప్రొఫెషన్లో ఉన్నారు. అదే మనకి ఫ్యామిలీ ఉన్నారు, మనం మన చెప్పిన కానీ వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీని వదిలేసి మీ పిల్లలు వాళ్ళ పిల్లలా చూసుకుంటున్నారు అంటే రియల్లీ హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్ యూ. అందుకని అంటారేమో టీచర్ లేకపోతే నేను లేను, వీడు లేను, ఎవరు లేరు. సో మీరు అంటే నేను చెప్పిన కాకపోవచ్చు, కానీ భగవంతుడు టీచర్ ఉండొచ్చు, కానీ టీచరే భగవంతుడు అయినప్పుడు ఇదే నిదర్శనం. Thank you very much, Magnus sir and the staff. My heartful thanks goes to all of you, and you made proud to us because I never expected my child will give that. Frankly, I'm telling you. Everybody రాదు because and one more thing నేను చెప్పాలి, ఒకప్పుడు నారాయణ స్కూల్ అంటే ఏమంటే ప్రెషర్ ప్రెషర్ ప్రెషర్, బట్ వీడు చదువుతున్నామంటే అసలు ప్రెషర్ లేదు. సో టీచర్స్ ఆ ప్రెషర్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకున్నారు. ఆ ప్రెషర్ తగ్గిన ప్లీజ్ కంటిన్యూ ద సేమ్ సార్, దట్స్ ద ఓన్లీ సజెషన్ ఐ కెన్ గివ్. Please continue that, reduce the pressure to the child and make them stars. Thanks a lot and congrats to all the bright stars who are coming up. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone. Firstly, I congratulate the management and students who achieved 10 by 10 here. So even I was a 10 by 10 scorer. I achieved 10 by 10. So I know the struggles they face. I don't want to talk about that. I just congratulate them. So what I want to tell here is, I want to give a suggestion for them for their future. Instead of struggling for getting seat in IIT, instead of taking on that pressure, I suggest them to take some courses or something extra to learn skills what the industry needs. So how many of you are going to MPC then after this? So I am telling you, really focus on new technology, upcoming what do we say, technologies and all these. So learn that. Thank you.
You want to speak?
I am Inan Gigi from NG branch, and I think that Adab sir, AGM sir, and our principal ma'am, they are well aware of my notorious achievements. And from my childhood, I was a very notorious guy, but I always kept that focus in studies also. And I am really proud to say that I got 10 GPA.
So here one thing I want to tell to all the parents, not only you, we also scared the moment we got SA1 results, in the sense quarterly results. Nearly 42% are failed in 3 or more subjects, especially 52% failures in mathematics. But I proudly say 99.5% is the pass percentage of NG. So the entire credit goes to the teachers who really put their efforts, and the coordinator is at the back of him, because the moment he enters the campus, all the teachers will be running. What he asks us, what about corrections, like percentage of marks, 10 GPAs, expected 10 GPAs, these all things will be scared by all the teachers. But this all puts us good results in all the campus, and especially I should say about the home branch where we all are sitting here. We are at the back of the principal. Never in the previous exams, never we achieved 110 GPA also. In the last pre-final exams also, only one we achieved. But we pressurized, we put so much of pressure on the teachers, 10th in charge, all the people. Really, they felt a lot of pressure from the management, Now they are in a position to feel proud to achieve 11 GPS from the single campus. This is a good achievement from Kaur Madam. So I could say your teachers have
मुखिया हरनीत कौर ने विद्यार्थियों की उपलब्धियों पर अत्यंत गौरव व्यक्त किया। स्कूल की शैक्षणिक उत्कृष्टता और समग्र विकास की पकड़ को महत्व दिया। उन्हें सफलता में सहयोग देने वाले स्कूल की पाठ्यक्रम और नवीन शिक्षा पद्धतियों की प्रशंसा की, जो इस युवा मन को सफलता की ओर मुख करने में योगदान देती हैं। पूरी 10 GPA प्राप्त करने की सफलता न केवल विद्यार्थियों की मेहनत का प्रतीक है, बल्कि ये भी स्कूल की शैक्षणिक अवसंरचना और शिक्षण संकाय पर प्रकाश डालता है। नारायण स्कूल के शिक्षकों को उनका भूमिका गुरु और मार्गदर्शक के रूप में प्रशस्ति दी जाती है, जो अपने विद्यार्थियों को अटल सहयोग और मार्गदर्शक प्रदान करते हैं। जब स्कूल की शानदार पढ़ाई की खबर फेल हो जाती है, तो ये विद्यार्थी, माता पिता और शिक्षाविदों के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत बन जाता है। ये मेहनत, व्यवस्था और एक समर्थ शिक्षा परिवर्तन का महत्व सफलता की ओर बढ़ाने में। नारायण स्कूल नारायणगुड़ा शाखा के विद्यार्थी, शिक्षक और प्रबंधन को उनकी शानदार उपलब्धि के लिए बधाई। आपकी सफलता सच में प्रेरणा का स्रोत है। शैक्षिक उपलब्धियां और प्रेरणा आयुक्त कहानियां पर अधिक जानकारी के लिए बॉन्ड्स ग्लोबल न्यूज पर बने रहें। आपका देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। अपडेट्स के लिए बने रहें। लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें।